What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Homemade Entrepreneur. In today's video, I want to tell you the number one thing every online entrepreneur must do in 2020 if you want to be successful. So, if you want to be successful, first, hit that thumbs up button, and next, let's go. So there is a reason why I ask you to hit that thumbs up button in every single video. The number one reason why I ask you guys to do that is because I want to see you take action. Can you listen to somebody? If I tell you to hit that thumbs up button, will you do it? If I tell you you can be rich, you can make money, are you going to listen to what I have to say? Maybe, maybe not. The people that do listen, the people that do hit that thumbs up button, they are becoming more successful. So, what is that one thing every online entrepreneur must do to become successful in 2020? That one thing is to educate, to teach. Yes, myself, you, everybody around us are going to become teachers. You probably never thought in a million years you'd become a teacher, but I never thought that as well. And that's exactly who I am, what I do. You are here on this channel. Why? Because you want to learn something. So what am I doing? I am teaching you how to do that. And in the meantime, I am becoming your teacher. Okay? I am a teacher. What I want you to do and what you need to do if you want to become successful. It doesn't matter if you talk to the richest people in the world, the billionaires, the millionaires, whoever. Okay? Everybody will tell you that the easiest way to become successful is to teach somebody how to do something. Why? Because everybody has a problem. Maybe it's a gambling addiction and they need to figure out how they can combat that issue. And they go to somebody, a counselor, somebody that they can pay to get away from gambling, to combat that addiction. Maybe it's smoking. Smoking's a billion-dollar industry. And how do people combat that issue? Combat that addiction. Okay, they go to a counselor, they pay for patches, they do something. But in the end, everybody that they're going to is an educator, is a teacher. They're trying to teach them something. How to overcome that addiction, overcome that problem, that hurdle. So that's exactly what you need to do. Now I know what you're thinking. I have no idea how to teach somebody how to quit smoking. I have no clue how to teach somebody how to avoid and get out of debt or how to avoid gambling. I just don't know that. But I guarantee there's something that you do know. Maybe it's how to cook the world's best lasagna. You're an incredible chef, but nobody knows it. Teach them. This is where YouTube comes in. And this is one of the main reasons why back in 2019, okay, I created a course. It's a simple step-by-step course. It's called Affiliate Marketing on YouTube, where I teach you not only how to create videos to put on YouTube, but how to make money from every single one of those videos. Just like I do here on my channel, on my other channels as well. I am trying to make money from my videos, and it's not all from YouTube ad revenue, because that's a very small portion of what I earn. The majority of what I earn comes from coaching, consulting, affiliate marketing, okay, sponsorships, things like that. And that's what I want to address is if you are not doing that, if you're not teaching somebody either on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, maybe TikTok, then you are missing out. I guarantee you this is the time, this is the best time ever to get on board with making money online. Something that you're gonna find out very quickly when it comes to educating people is they are very receptive. They will take in all the information that you are willing to give them. If you're still watching this video, and this is probably 3, 4, 5 minutes in to the video, one of the things you know is you will listen to what I have to say. You have learned something in the past. You maybe are learning something from this video. Maybe you really want to take that step up, go that next level, make a little bit more money, become more successful in 2020. And if that's the case, awesome. Okay, I applaud you, thumbs up to you. Most people are not willing to do that. Most people are not willing to take a step out of their comfort zone to make more money, to give themselves and their family the best life possible. And I understand, I used to be there. But when you overcome that mindset, you have that mindset shift, you will become more successful. It's almost a guarantee. So again, let's go back to that one thing every online entrepreneur must do in 2020 to become more successful. You have to educate people. So let's say you are selling a product. You're selling a new case for the Apple iPhone. And you think you're just a salesman. No, you're not a salesman. You are an educator. Educate people on why this case is the best case in the world for that particular iPhone. Why they shouldn't spend any money, no matter if it's more or less, for any other case. Because this case right here is the best one. Educate them on why this case is the best one. Maybe you sell camera gear, camera equipment, and you have the best audio equipment ever. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I have no idea. But you, as the owner, as the salesman, you have to educate people on why this audio is the best one ever, why you need to spend $2,000 on this particular microphone to get the best audio for your videos. Is that the case? I have no idea. But again, you need to educate people on doing that. If you know, or maybe you have gotten out of debt. Maybe you follow the Dave Ramsey, debt snowball payoff thing. If that's the case and you benefited from it and you learned how to do it and now you can teach other people and educate them on how you did it successfully, do that. Because all you have to do is then put in a link to that Dave Ramsey program and send people over there, and every time they buy, you get a small commission. There's $40 there, and $40 there, and $40 there. And you get 100 people to join, and you just made $4,000 by promoting a course, a program you never created and you took one time. How great does that sound? Maybe you don't know anything about debt, you don't know anything about cooking. Maybe you have the most organized home ever. This is something you see on the Home Channel or the Better Homes magazine or something like that. If that's the case, teach people how you organize your home. How you keep your living room so organized, so clean. What is your cleaning schedule like? Do you hire people to help you out? Do they come in for free? Do you do it yourself? What are your tips, your tricks, and your strategies for keeping your home just impeccably clean every single day? Now I understand you're probably thinking, oh, I don't know how to do organizing and cleaning and I'm just a mess. I'm a hoarder, I'm a clutter, whatever, okay? If that's the case, teach people what you know. That's all I'm trying to say, and that's the message I'm trying to really hammer home here, is teach people what you know. I've had friends that all they know is roofing, so they teach people and they create courses and programs and do videos and have social media accounts on roofing. How many people do you think will go and watch these videos? I didn't think a lot, but a lot of people do. And it's simply because they're educating those people on how to do roofing the correct way, how to do the maintenance, how to monitor their roof, how to make simple repairs if they need to. I also have a couple friends that build computers, gaming computers. So they do videos and they have social media accounts on how to build the best gaming computer, the best budget gaming computer, the best gaming computer for whatever users, for World of Warcraft or for Fortnite. And that's what they do. They're educators on those things and those things only. So the last thing I want to address is, if you do not know where to start, just go onto YouTube and type in, how to cook or how to cook for beginners, and click on any of the channels. So let's say the cooking is what you want to do. Go to any of the channels that are teaching people how to cook for beginners. You click on their actual channel, and then you go and click on their videos and their oldest videos first. Because what that's going to show you is, how did they start on YouTube? Or you can go on to Instagram, go find anybody that's making, has an Instagram account and does it post on cooking and, whatever cooking you want to do. Maybe it's vegan, maybe it's, keto. Go and look at those accounts and then scroll all the way to the bottom and see, what did they post in their very first post? What was it? Because I can guarantee you that is a good place to start. This is where they started. So if you start in the exact same place and you do something very similar, you're going to have very similar results. That's just the way it works. Now I understand you probably have questions. You're probably struggling to really put all this information together. But one thing I want to tell you, one thing that I want you to do next, okay? If you haven't already done so, make sure you click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. But the next step after that is you need to take a piece of paper. It can be a little notepad, it could be a big notepad, you could write it on a wall, I don't care. What I want you to do is write down what are the things that you are best at. Maybe cooking, childcare, yoga, painting, you're really good at swimming. Write down the top 10, okay? 10 things you are good at, your hobbies, your passions, something that you don't need to be an expert in, you just need to have a little bit of knowledge in it. Write down those 10 things, and out of those 10 things, pick 2 of them to move on to the next step. And the next step is write down 5 different video ideas that you could create. So let's say it's on swimming. How to do the breaststroke, how to do the backstroke, how to float for beginners. Those are just 3 different ideas, okay? And so then the next thing you want to do, go onto YouTube and type in those exact same things. How to float for beginners, and see how they created that video. Pull out your phone, pull out a camera, pull out something, and record how to float for beginners. Maybe it's just a step-by-step, someone's talking, and you're not actually in the pool. That's fine. As long as you can educate somebody on how to do exactly what it is they want to learn. If it's how to float and they're a beginner, that's what you need to teach them. Okay? And so those are the next steps. After you create the video, you upload to YouTube, hit publish, and see what happens. Now, if you need help along the way, you can always comment here on my video. Just comment down below and just write that you need help or urgent help needed. Okay? The next thing you can do is go and take the Affiliate Marketing on YouTube course. It's one course that's going to help you out, help you create videos, and help you make money from those videos. But that's what I want you to do. So, if you guys have any questions on this particular topic, how to become more successful in 2020 by doing this one thing, okay? You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. Like I said before, make sure you click that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.